is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. C is for cat, purring soft and sweet. D is for dog, with wagging tail and feet. Come on, sing along, let's learn the ABCs. With fun and laughter, just like a gentle breeze. Letters all together, so easy as can be. Join our ABC adventure, come sing with me. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, hopping every day. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. H is for hat, wear it nice and loud. Come on, sing along, let's learn the ABCs. With fun and laughter, just like a gentle breeze. Letters all together, so easy as can be. Join our ABC adventure, come sing with me. I is for ice cream, oh what a treat. J is for jelly beans, so yummy and sweet. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, hear him roar, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, where the birds are free. O is for octopus, swimming in the sea. P is for panda, cuddly as can be. Come on, sing along, let's learn the ABCs. With fun and laughter, just like a gentle breeze. Letters all together, so easy as can be. Join our ABC adventure, come sing with me. Q is for queen, wearing a shiny crown. R is for rocket, zooming up, up, up from town. S is for sun, shining bright and warm. T is for turtle, slow but full of charm. U is for umbrella, in the rain it'll be. V is for violin, music joyfully. W is for whale, splashing in the blue. X is for xylophone, we can play it too. Y is for yak, standing in the snow. Z is for zebra, with stripes all in a row. Now we've sung our ABCs, let's give a cheer. Together we can learn, come back next year. Come on,